Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to proxy in 3ds Max. And today I'm going to show you an example by using V-Ray. Okay, so first up, make sure that under your exporter, render setup, make sure that V-Ray is selected as your renderer. Okay, and then once that's done, close this one. Select the object that you wanted to proxy, or you could go ahead and select all. Okay, now go ahead over to V-Ray right here. Now go ahead and click on V-Ray exporter. Just like so. And here we have the automatic proxy creation box, or automatically create proxies. So before you click on it, make sure that, you choose your file folder. You can go ahead and add in maybe under 3ds Max version, make a new folder and just type down proxies. Hit on OK. And then after that, go ahead and click on automatically create proxies and just click on OK. All right, as you can see here in the left panel, it is now under proxy. And that is it. That's how simple it is to proxy in 3ds Max. And it will make your editing or life easier. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.